Okay, it is the 4th of July, so of course we found some smoke balls, and we have a little tiny rock garden and ceramic garden right here. We use the smoke balls to paint on some of these stones. Actually, the dolphin I cannot take credit for, but this one's from 4 and 5 years ago. This one we did last year. These stay out of the sun and mostly out of the weather, so they've actually held up pretty well. But this year we are going to do this one. And all that is an edger. So, lizard, baby lizard. So, we might actually do a few streaks around here. Of course, that will fade because this is outside. It does get weather, so on to the staining. There's another little lizard. The babies must be hatching. Another one. Okay, we are going to start off with yellow. And here is the piece of stone. Yellow is not one of the better colors. Normally it just kind of scorches, but we'll see how this works. Right in my face, but let's see what happened. Yeah, we've got a little bit of yellow color up here. A little scorch mark too, but we can always cover that up with blue, purple. Those are good colors for coverage.
You want me to go ahead and tip?
Here we go with another yellow. Just gonna light it, let it burn down, and then tip it. Got a really good result with that one too. A little burn area, but once again that can be covered up. So we're going to continue on. Okay, we're going to try a green and see how that works. Oh, it didn't. Actually it did. We got some green on there. Okay, so we've been continuing on. As you can tell, the blue covers really well. Purple isn't bad either. But shortly we will show the finished rock. Okay, this side is beginning to look pretty good, and we have some color on that side. So now we're going to do the top. Nice vibrant blue right in the center. Okay, so this one is getting coated really well on all sides. That side especially, I like that. So we're almost at our finished product. Just for something different, we're going to try it on one of the actual edgers that we have over here by the aloes and cactus, so just see what happens. Sorry lizards, not trying to gas you. So yeah, that works too. Of course, since this is out in the weather, this will disappear, but...
Well, if you wanted to...
Okay, so we pretty much have our finished product for 2019. All the way around. And our concrete block, which serves as a step into our little storage shed. It's fairly well colored as well, but kids love doing this, as well as adults that act like kids. Of course, if kids are going to be doing this, supervise. Some of these do explode, and it is fire, of course. So now we're going to take this and put it in its spot. Okay, so it is in its home. Actually, you can tell the colors do fade a lot over time. But fun, easy little project to do to commemorate your 4th or New Year's. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.